think it's really important to give people the opportunity to see what's available, because as a teacher you're so busy with your day-to-day that you don't get to see those opportunities, whether it's equipment or training or just specialist advice.
Events like this are essential, I think, really for both teachers and also for the suppliers that we've got here today. It's really hard now for teachers to get out of the classroom, so to have an opportunity to network and also to see some of the options and tools and equipment that's available to help them and students is really important.
I think it's very important because there's not a lot of these opportunities to come and actually have a feel of the equipment and see it and see what they can make.
So the importance of with teachers don't generally know how to implement new technologies into their classes. So this is where we can come in and we can say, look, we've already got all of these lesson plans, we've already got all of these resources, here's the technology to go along with it. Let us do all the hard work and let you do what you do best.
I'm a DT lead that does not know an awful lot about DT, and trying to find a new way of including it in our curriculum.
For our school especially, we've got a lack of software and hardware that we know about and that we have access to, so it's good to know what's out there, and then you can make collaborations with other schools.
I've attended because I wanted to get further ahead with the technology side of the curriculum, which was brilliant. My specialism wasn't the micro bit and that side of it and the 3D print, and I want to get more of that in my curriculum.
It was important to hear what condition the subject is in, and remind me that it is important and it's not just a sideline subject.
A wealth of knowledge of all the different things that you can use, so some of these things I'd never heard of in the past.
And then definitely the micro bit was a big one, and looking at how I can take that back to my school really and work with our computing department and how we can embed it in our learning.
We're in the process of changing our long-term plan at the moment, so I think we will be looking at how to use, for example, the Makey was a really good workshop, so we'll be looking at how to use the Makey within the DT curriculum, and also some of the STEM kits. I think they were really good, especially for smaller children with the fine motor skills.
I loved the Lego workshop, how to use the Lego with small children, but also including them really good at coding because of high impact, so it's really nice to see how the computing and the DT side can overlap with each other.
Technology is forever changing, and we just need to keep on educating those that are educating.
What an opportunity, and yeah, can't wait for hopefully you're doing as well.